to my channel today. It is just Kenzie, not Sophia. She's not here this weekend, but I am going to review one slime that I absolutely loved and now I hate, and then two slimes that I absolutely love that I just love. Okay, and I love them still. Now, so let's get on with the video. Whoop. I'm just kidding. That was a horrible chance. Just let's get on to the video. Okay, I'm back. So I don't know why I said I'm back. That was whatever. I don't know what's going on with me today, but something is up. Okay. So this slime I used to love. I used to be able to make great slime bubbles. Now I can just make a great long thing. I don't know if you guys can catch that, but that literally swung from like this side all the way. Oh, I keep like trying to zoom in for no reason. All the way over there. It was amazingly crazy. But it's so stiff, but it's so stretchy at the same time. It's a good workout. Like, it's a good workout slime, I would guess. But it's just not the best slime. So this, before I put it up, it's basically like slime putty. So if I would just take a chunk of it off, close up the rest, it would literally, I could literally play with it as putty. Like, this is like too much. Like, I could just play with it as putty and just, like, have, like, a little container as it. Or because when I stretch it, it stretches, but, like, it won't stretch anymore. It's super weird. I used to love this slime, and now I don't. That is my cat meowing. If you guys can hear that, he is so loud. I actually don't know if that's my cat. That's my big cat or my little cat. I don't know. Do we have a baby cat and a big cat? Whatever. So the next two slimes I'm going to show you is the slimes that I made recently. Well, the first slime is going to be a slime that I made a while ago, like a few months ago, with my friend, and it's still really good. And then the second slime I'm going to show you guys is a slime that I literally made like 2 hours ago. So this is the one. Where's the little cat? There it is. This is the one that I made like a few months ago with my friend. I know you guys are like, it looks horrible. It's just not. It just got like stuck to the roof. Or to the lid, not the roof. It just got stuck to the lid. It's really not that bad of slime. It's a pretty decent batch of slime. Whoop. It's not very good for slime bubbles, but cookability is pretty good. Stretchability is pretty good. So, I mean, this slime is pretty decent. There's a few flaws. It can't really make good slime bubbles because it just rips. Another flaw is it has hairs in it, which I don't like about slime. When it has hairs in it. Oh, I can pick this one out. Maybe. I think it's still in there. Who knows what I just did with that hair. There's hair in the slime, which really makes me aggravated. Because I didn't really want them bringing hair in my slime, but of course. Now there is. Because I dropped it on accident. Which is a stupid thing I made to do because just so mad. But whatever. I don't know. I think I could just keep putting it back in there. But if I do catch it before I put it up in like 2 minutes. Let's see if I can find it again. Is that it? Oh, I found it. I think I got it. So I'm just going to take this whole chunk of slime out of my slime because I don't know where the hair is in here. I don't even know if the hair's in this chunk of slime. So we're just going to kind of stretch it and see if it's in here. I don't think it is because I don't see it. Whatever. Okay. it's been about 2 minutes, so it's okay if I don't find the slime. Or not the slime is in my hands. It's okay if I don't find the hair. I'll probably find it later, but let's go on to my next slime. Okay. Okay, so the next slime I have is slime I literally made like 2 hours ago. Oops, I dropped the lid. Okay, so this slime is, I like to call it winter slime or snow slime, or just like, it's shimmery, which I really love about it. It's so shimmery. So what I did to make this is I got some purple in it. No, I don't want purple in my good line. Okay, so what I did to make this is I just took some silver glitter glue. Oh, super stretchy. And I just added a bunch of shaving cream. I did not mean to add a bunch of shaving cream into it, but it just happened, and yeah. So that's just, it was not a great experience. But I was like, oh no, I just added a bunch. So now it's like a grayish white, and I really like the color. It is super stretchy. Let's see if I can make a slime swirl. Instagram slime swirl. Let's see if I can make one. Probably. Hold on, let me get this chunk out of it. We should be good. Oh no! This, I just made a slime swirl with this slime like 2 minutes ago. Or not 2 minutes, when I made this. It is not the best slime swirl, but I made a slime swirl, guys. Yay! So, yeah, so that's that for that slime. Bye! Alright guys, that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. But before I leave you guys, I have a special announcement. This week, I am going to be vlogging what I do. And I'm going to bring my camera wherever I go. And I'm so excited. But unfortunately, I cannot bring my camera to school. Meaning I can't bring my phone to school because right now I just have my phone as a camera and I have slime all over here. Great. I thought it was cleaned up. But yeah, so I cannot bring my phone / camera to school. So I will you'll just be having to see when I wake up, before I go to school, and after I'm done with school. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you guys want me to do for my next video. But before we leave, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!